This is my contact information. I want to send this contact information in my cell phone contact. So today I'm going to show you how to send contact number from Excel to cell phone. Now I minimize it. First of all, log in your Google account. Go to Google Apps and go to contact. Then click create contact and then click create contact. Insert the demo details first of all here. In my Excel file, that is my name, phone number and address, and I want to send these three details, so insert this type of information here. Name, demo data, in company this information is related with DEDV, so I want to write here company is EDV. Submit here one demo phone number. I want to submit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then click address and type city here Pokhara. Then click save option and then click at this three dot, click export option and choose this Google CSV. It's already selected, so click export. Yes, process is done. So go to this folder, copy it or cut it, right click here. I want to copy this data and paste here desktop. After then open it. Yeah, you can see here for easy handle, select the data and go to home menu and then click down arrow of the format and click auto fit column wide. You see here name is demo data and organizations is related with ADVs. It's my label is my contact and the phone number, and then address is Pokhara. In this column submit your previous records. Now I want to send this information in my phone, so I want to select it. This is the name column, so right click here and copy, go to contact and here is the first name. Yeah, submit this data here, right click and paste, double click here, so auto fit column wide, go to previous record, or deselect, press escape button and then click here and again select it. Yes, again right click and copy, go to your contact and paste it this phone number column. Click here and Control V or right click here at the paste. Yes, and address again, go to previous record, press escape key and then click here and it's the address. So again I want to copy it. Yes, select it and right click and copy and go to your contact and paste this address column Pokhara under this Pokhara, right click and paste. Yes, fine. Then this information is my contact, so the label is my contact, and so copy it. For copy, just select and drag until my last data. Yeah, done. That's again this data is related with my ADB company, so click here and drag until your last record 41. Yes, fine. After then, save this file. Click Office button. If you are using more than 2010 above version, you will see here file and click save options. Yes, there is this one error, no problem. Click yes. Yes, process has been completed. Yes, close this file, contact. Again yes, click yes. Again yes. Yes, done. Again that's my previous file. It's not necessary, so let's close it. Yes, then go to your Google accounts and same process. You go to Google Apps and then go to scroll and now and go to import sections. Click import and select the file. Click on select file, and my file is in desktop, so click desktop and it's my new file. So click here and then click open, then click input options. It take a little time. Yes, all done. Close it. After then you log in, you save your account in your cell phone and then check your contacts folder. You will get all this number or the all information in your cell phones, and this way we can transfer our contact information from Excel to phone.